Who is this? Kokai.
โอเค
Who's
โค
that?
ไข่
ชื่อนัชวัน
โคไข่ในวันนี้คือโคไข่
นัชวัน
Nachawan. Okay, Nachawan. Okay.
โคไข่
Okay, let's start now. Please turn off your microphone. Okay, please listen.
ดิเชอร์
Hmm.
วัดบุ๊ก
Teacher Krisha said what?
ที่ชื่อ
Live
คือโน
ไล
บุ๊
ฟ์
ก
เวิร์กชีท
Okay, stop now. Stop now. Okay. I'm going to start now. So
ทุก
please.
ครั้งที่เพียงมีแชร์หาไลฟ์เวิร์กชีท
เอ็งย้ำหลายรอบแล้วโน้ตเขารู้กันแล้ว
ก็คนมันจะไม่ได้นี่
Keep quiet now. Keep quiet. Okay. I'm going to start now.
เพื่อนจะไม่ได้เยอะมาก
Turn off your microphone, please. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our online teaching class, and our subject for today it's science. Okay. Then our topic it's all about Unit 3 materials around us. Okay, we are going to review your final test. But before we go to our topic, let's do some warm-up questions. Number 1. Do you have Play-Doh? Yes or no?
What teacher what is Play-Doh
It's like
No.
a clay. Clay.
น้ำมันโน้ตดินน้ำมั
อ๋อ
Do you have? Yes or no?
เคย
I don't
No.
have
เคยมี
Okay. Number 2.
ไอเคย
How do you play the dough? How do you play
I don't have
with the Play-Doh?
Play-Doh อ๋อ
By
เอามาปั้นกันเอามาปั้น
squeezing,
เรา
right?
เอามาปั้น
Squeezing,
แล้วก็ปาใส่คนอื่น
pressing, right? Or sometimes
pen
you
mo.
are going to make a circle,
เอามา
right?
ปั้นแล้วปาใส่คนอื่น
Next. Number 3. How do you close the door in your room? Pushing or pulling? Close the door.
teacher it has any
Pulling. When you close the door, pull, right?
teacher
Okay.
it has pulling and pushing have
Pulling and
many
pushing.
teacher.
Oh, yeah, okay. Sometimes you can pull, sometimes you can push, right? Push and pull. Or sometimes the door is sliding, right? Do you know sliding? Okay.
Yes I know
Yes
Okay, next, let's go to our vocabulary words for today and repeat after me. Let us read curve.
curve
Curve.
เคิร์บเส้นโค้ง
curve
Okay, everyone spell the word curve. C-R-C-U.
R V E curve curve
In Thai.
โค้ง
Very good. Next. Ooh. Stretch.
stretch
Stretch.
stretch
Spell the word stretch. S-T.
S T R E T E S stretch
In Thai.
ยืด
Very good. Okay, stretchy like this. Next. Boil. Boil. Spell the word boil. B-O.
B O I L boil
Okay, boil in Thai.
ต้ม
Again, please.
ต้ม
Okay. Again, let's read in English, then read in Thai. Curve.
curve
In Thai.
โค้ง
Again.
โค้ง
Call. Okay. Stretch.
ยืด
Again.
stretch ยืด
Yeah. Okay. Boil.
boil
Okay. And now let's go to our topic. And our topic for today, it's all about changes in materials.
changes in material
Yes. There are many kinds of materials. Okay. Then and have okay.
I like candy
Okay. Turn off your microphone first. I'm going to read so that it's clearly because here it's raining. It's very, very noisy here. Oh, look. Oh. Can you hear the rain? There are different types of materials in our environment. Some things are solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, but before that, I'm going to show you a video about solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this one, solid, liquid, gas for kids. Okay, this one. Okay, wait a moment. I'm going to show to you. I'm going to share my screen so that you can hear. Okay, solid. Where is that? States of matter. What here? This one. Okay. Can you see now?
Yes.
Smile
Okay.
and learn.
And can hear too.
Ugh, it's so hot. Hey there. I'm making some strawberry popsicles. It's steaming hot today, and I really wanted to have one. But for them to stay solid, I'd have to put them in the freezer like these ones and wait for a while. Really? You don't know what a solid is? It's one of the states of matter. Don't worry, I'll tell you all about them right away. Matter, the substance all things are made of, exists in 3 states: liquid, like this strawberry juice, solid, like this popsicle, and gas, like the water vapor coming out of this pot. Everything we drink is in its liquid state. Matter, in its liquid state, takes on the shape of the container and its volume always stays the same. Particles are separated and can move freely. Can you see how they're moving? They look like they're dancing. The popsicles we eat are solid. Matter in its solid state is characterized by having a fixed shape and volume. Particles are held together in an organized structure. See? Lastly, the gaseous state. The vapor coming out of the pot is a gas. Matter in its gaseous state can change its volume and shape, taking up the space of its container. See? Particles are well separated and can move freely. Look, they move like crazy. Did you get the idea? Let's recap a little. Matter exists in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid matter has a definite shape and volume. Particles are well organized and held closely together. Liquid matter takes on the shape of its container, occupying always the same space. Besides, particles are separated and can move freely. Gas matter doesn't have a fixed shape or volume. Its particles are well separated and can move freely. That is all about states of matter. Very interesting, isn't it? Well, I'm leaving now. I won't sell any popsicles if I don't. See you around.
Okay. That's the states of matter, the solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, I'm going to share my screen now again. And let's start. So solid, something hard that cannot be splashed, like book, table, or an apple. It's an example of solid. Even my wall at the back, this one is the whiteboard, it's liquid. Even my chair, it's what we call solid. Sorry, okay? Solid. Even the door outside, okay, the school, the wall are what we call solid. Okay, it cannot be splashed. Liquid, it means something that's like water. It can move or splash, like water, vegetable oil, or milk. Example of this one, like soda, coffee, or tea are example of liquid material. Next one, gas. It's something that is like air. Okay, you cannot feel the gas, but you can feel the gas, but you cannot see. Okay, next one, states of matter.
There are 3 different states of matter: solid,
Okay, wait, I'm going to show you a video about that. 3 states of matter. I'm going to share my screen again. Okay, where is that? This one. Going to share my screen again. Okay, this
Teacher.
one.
Teacher,
Yes?
I see Shanikan go out.
Are you
Yes.
sure?
Yes.
I see.
Okay.
Shanikan go out.
Two.
Janikan, absent.
Shanikan, come in now.
Oh, come in now. Okay, not absent. Okay, wait a moment. It's loading. And I will play.
Teacher, Shanikan come now, but I cannot see her.
Okay, let's watch.
ชนิการยังไม่ได้เข้า
Solid, liquid, and gas.
not come, teacher.
Okay,
Yes, teacher.
wait a moment. Later, let's watch, okay?
Solid,
I
liquid, and
see,
gas
I see
are all made of matter.
Not Shanikan.
But have you noticed that they all look different? Not only that, when you touch them, they feel different. Because solid, liquid, and gas are different states of matter, that also means they have different characteristics. What do I mean by this? If you look at solid objects, they look very different from liquid and gas. When you look at them, they have color. They also have a certain size and shape. When you touch them, they have different textures and have varying hardness. Take this example. Puto. We can observe that it is color white, small, and is rounded. When you touch it, the texture is sticky, but it is soft. Another example, ruler. It's yellow, long, rectangular. When you touch it, it's smooth. When you press it, it's hard. Liquids have color, smell, and texture too, but they don't have their own shape. They always take the shape of whatever they're placed in. For example, slime. Everyone loves playing with slime, right? Slime can have different colors like purple, pink, or baby blue. They have smells. Some slimes smell different from other slimes. They also have texture. They're sticky, but they don't have their own shape. That's why when you put them in a square container, they just fill the square. But when you take them out, they're not square, right? Water is also a good example. When you go to the beach, you see all the seawater stretched before you. But when you take some seawater, for example, and put it in your sand bucket, it just fills the bucket and follows the bucket's shape. For example, if your bucket is shaped like a circle, the water is also shaped like a circle. But then when you toss the seawater on the sand, it's not a circle anymore. Gas, on the other hand, have no color, taste, or texture. The rare times you do see them, they don't have their own colors. You can't taste them, and they don't have texture either, since you can't hold them in your hands. Like liquids, they have no definite shape and only take the shape of whatever they're put into. Let's take a balloon, for example. When you pump air, which is a gas, into the balloon, it grows into this big circular shape. Not because that's the shape of the air, but because the balloon is expanding. When you put water into the balloon, since it doesn't have its own shape either, it is the same as the air-filled balloon. When you put air into a flat tire, you can see the tire being filled with air, but the tire still has the same shape. Once again, the different states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas, have their own characteristics. Solid objects have color, size, shape, texture, and hardness.
Liquids have color, smell, and texture. They don't have their own shape, they only take the shape of their container. Gas have no color, taste, texture, or own shape. They only take the shape of what they're put in. It's quiz time! Can you identify what states of matter these objects are in and what their characteristics are? Cookie, ketchup, oxygen. Let's answer. A cookie is a solid object.
Okay, what's that? Cookie, solid, liquid, or gas?
If a circle to liquid. Liquid.
Liquid, are you sure?
What do you have?
Solid.
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 Its color brown, small, circular, powdery, and crumbly. Ketchup is a liquid. It's red,
Okay,
smells
ketchup.
sweet, and is thick to the touch. Oxygen, the gas we breathe, has no color, no taste, texture, or shape. But it fills our lungs when we inhale and spreads all throughout the room when we exhale.
Okay.
Oh.
What topic now? So people can do action to make things change in this size, shape, or state. Like
Yes.
squeeze, twist, press, bend, pull, heat or boil, cool, or freeze. For example, squeeze. Squeeze, it means to press something firmly. When you're going to squeeze a sponge, okay, an orange juice, or a toothpaste. Do you understand? That's what we call squeeze. For example, this one, my mouse pad. Okay, it's wet. I'm going to squeeze it like this. Understand? Then the water comes out. Okay, that's what we call squeeze. Another
It's
one,
like a lemon.
yes, another one, it's the twist. Twist, it means to turn something around itself, like candies, rope, or else the hair. Yes, very good. Or else sometimes they twist the metal to make a design in your gate or housing. Okay? Next one. Press. Press, it means to push down something. Press. Push down something. Example of this one, when you're cooking, or push the button, or sometimes when you are
Like a
playing
piano.
Teacher,
piano.
like press the notebook.
Yes, pressing the notebook, pressing the
Teacher, I use
textbook,
the notebook.
or you're playing a game. Okay, you are
No,
pressing.
teacher, I don't play game. I don't play game. I don't play.
Okay, next one. Bend. Bend inside. To curve something. Bends like this. Okay. Another one, when you're going to bend
Like
your
a
ruler.
metal and a ruler.
Yes, okay. Usually, we bend the metal for design our houses. Okay, houses. Next one. Pull. Pull, it means to
Pull.
stretch something. Okay, like this,
A
stretch.
push.
Okay, not push, pull. Pull inside. What's that? Okay. For example, like rubber band, you're going to pull. Or sometimes that animal
And,
that they don't want to
donkey,
follow.
teacher.
Yes, donkey.
Donkey. Donkey.
Heat or boil to make something hot. Okay, can make it boil, which turn it into gas. Like this, okay? Next one, cool or freeze. To freeze a liquid like water will make it turn into something hard and solid like ice. For example, you're going to put water inside the fridge, then you will make an ice. Okay, but before that, we are going to watch a video again about
Okay.
Changing materials. Okay.
Okay.
Wait a moment.
ทิเชอร์พาพิรัต Teacher Pavirat go out.
Okay, later. Okay.
Go out.
Later.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my digital classroom. Today we are going to talk about how materials can change. And we are going to use some of these things to help us. So materials can be solids or liquids. Solids are easy to hold, like this ball. But liquids are difficult to hold. Solids have their own shape, but liquids don't. Liquids have the shape of their container, like this juice in this glass. So we can say that liquids change shape easily. Their shape is the same as their containers. But can solids change shape? The answer is yes, they can. But it's not so easy. We have to do something to them to make them change shape. For example, we can heat solids. This makes them change shape. Let's look at cheese. Here we have solid cheese,
Cheese.
and we can put it on a pizza.
Cheese.
Then we heat the pizza in the oven. And finally, the shape of the cheese changes. We can also cut solids. This changes their shape. We can stretch solids too. Stretching solids makes them bigger or longer.
Stretch.
And we can squeeze solids. This makes them
Squeeze.
smaller.
What's that?
Lastly, we can bend solids and give them a different shape. So solid materials can change shape. We can heat solids, stretch solids, bend solids, cut solids, or squeeze solids to make them have a different shape. And that's all on how materials can change.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I'm going to share my screen again. Now, listen. Liquid, something is like water. It can move or splash. Liquid in Thai. Can you read?
ของเหลว
Okay, very good. Next, gas.
gas
In Thai,
Gas.
something that is like air. Next, solid.
solid
In Thai,
ของแข็ง
something hard that cannot be splash. Okay. Next, everybody read. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
To press something firmly.
Beep. To test something family.
Very good. Okay, squeeze in Thai.
Beep.
Next, twist.
Twist.
In Thai.
beep
Beep.
Okay, to turn something around itself. Next, press.
press
In Thai,
Good.
กด
Good.
push down on something. Push down on something. Next one, everybody read. Bend.
เดิน
In Thai,
โค้ง
to curve something.
to curve something
Next, pull.
Pull.
Inside,
pull ดึง
to stretch something.
to stretch something
Very good. Next, everybody read, boil.
boil
Inside,
ต้ม
very good. To heat a liquid until you see the bubbles and it begins to turn to gas. Next, everybody read, freeze.
freeze
Inside,
แข็ง
to make a liquid cold enough to turn it into an ice. And now let's do the word wall activity.
เย้
ฟ้าร้อง
Okay, but first, let's answer first.
My home is raining.
Look up here.
เหมือนกันโมเด็ม
What's that?
ตกทะเลนี่
Freezing.
โมเด็ม
Ice, a dough, ruler, soup, toothpaste.
eyes
Ice, very good. Next, squeezing. Squeeze.
Did you finish already?
What's that?
ruler
Ruler? Are you sure? No.
no teacher squeeze
What?
squeeze a toothbrush
Okay, toothpaste. Next, bending.
bending a ball
A dough?
bending a soup
A soup?
ก็ขุดเองเอง
teacher number one
Bending a
teacher
ruler.
number 2
Next,
ทางไว้แต่ไม่ได้หนีจริง
answer.
ทางไว้
boy soup soup
Soup. Very good.
no soup teacher no
Pressing a
pressing a
ใช่
dough.
อัดได้
Okay, now I'm going to send the link to you.
โอเค อันนี้ก็เลยท่านไหนหัวตาย
Then I will look the leaderboard here. Please
Dalo.
write your name.
พรุ่งนี้เนาะโอเคไหม
Okay? Okay. I'm going to look your name here. So please be fast, okay?
มีคนชื่อว่าจีจีด้วยใครชื่อจีจีล่ะ บอก
Can you hear the thunder?
Yes
Thunder here. It's very scary.
I don't like
Thunder inside.
I don't scare thunder
What's thunder inside?
มาแล้ว
ไฟฟ้า
The rain is coming here
teacher my home don't have thunder my
Okay.
My home
Finish now? I'm going to look at the leaderboard, okay? Leaderboard. Oh.
My name is my bot
Huh?
number one bot
Are you sure?
I don't know what my name
Teacher, I finished game now.
Finish now? Okay, if you're finished, let's do the live worksheet activity. Okay. Live worksheet activity. Here, don't forget to write your name again, your real name, okay? Then your grade, then you write your student number. Then try to answer. Number 1, to press something firmly. Oh, what's the answer here?
Squeeze.
Very good. To turn something around itself. What's that?
Twist.
Okay. It's a twist. To push down on something. Push down.
Press.
Very good. Okay. To curve something.
Bend.
Okay. Very good, Sven. To stretch something. What's that?
Push.
Squeeze.
Press. Okay. To stretch something. What do you call that?
Pull.
Again?
Pull.
Pull. Very good. Then you're going to click true or false. For
Okay,
example,
it's
number
great.
1. Solid is something that is hard, that cannot be splashed. Is it true or false?
True.
Very good. Next, number 2. Solid is something that is like air. Liquid is
True.
something that is like
True.
air. Are you sure?
Oh, false. False.
Again?
Wait.
False. Very good. Because liquid's a water, not like air. Next, to heat a liquid until you see the bubbles means to boil. Is it true or false?
False.
To heat a liquid. For example,
True.
you're going to boil the water. Then
True,
you're going
teacher.
to see the bubbles. Is it true or false?
True. True.
True. Very good. Number 4. When we freeze water to cook noodles.
No.
Huh? False. Very good. Then, number 5. We play the piano by squeezing the keyboard.
No.
No.
False. Teacher.
False. Very good. We open a water bottle by twisting a cup.
Yes.
True or false?
True.
Huh?
True.
True. Very good.
Is
Next. We open the door by twisting.
frog.
Huh?
Frog alive. False.
False.
Frog.
Frogไง
Water is a liquid.
ไอ้กบไงกบ
True. True.
True. Okay, then after that, click finish. Then, screenshot your answer here, okay? I'm going to send the link now.
Send the